Hey and welcome to Alpha One. So I have now just had a live stream for binary option, and if you were not able to be part of that, probably it's because you did not subscribe my channel or you have not turned the bell notification on. So whatever it is, make sure you fix that so you never lose a live stream from me again. Also help me out for me to get better in the algorithm for YouTube. Make sure you like this video. You help me tremendously just by pushing that like button, okay? Also, if you want to join my live streams, it's good that you're using the same broker like me. Below the video you will find a link, and you should at least make a demo account so you can follow my trades. But if you want to join in with real money, that is completely up to you. You will also then find a promo code that gives you 200% on your first deposit, so make your first deposit count. Also, from 23 of October, I will start to have 2 live streams, okay? So you find a link for another broker I'm going to use in that live stream. So yes, I will first trade on this one, and later on I will trade on the another one. So 2 live streams on 2 different brokers. So make sure, if you are one of my loyal followers, make sure you sign up with another broker also, and so you can trade together with me there also. Now let's get to the results of the day. Like I said, was not that good, but still we actually did make some profit. So we can go back here now. You can see 13 is today. We started with a win, we got 2 losses, then we got a little winning streak, then we got 2 losses, 1 win, 3 losses, and here in around here we was like little around 100 in minus, and we were in of the live stream. And for the ones that follow me, I do not martingale, but I give my opportunity to at least go up to 200, but that is my maximum. So that means I start to trade only with 200 from here, and we turned a profit. Our profit is $45, but it's still a profit. Actually, if you take this way, I've been trading live now for around 1.5 years, and trading every single day, even some Saturdays. And from that I only have 12 times I have a losing day. So you have a little idea about our win rate. So you see today we almost got a losing day, but we did turn profit, because in the last 2 minutes I got in 2 trades. I basically stopped my live stream 6:20. So these 2 trades was in the last minute. And then you see up here, every time I do a trade I get a cashback. So if we now take our $45 and add the 64 here, that means we got a profit of $109. So even though it was not good, it's still money. $109, I guess many of you think that is a decent payday. So if you want to join me again, I will trade again in Monday, so make sure you tune in then, and I will set up the live stream a little later, so you are able to push on notification on that live stream, so you can join me and make money together with me. I will never promise you that you will make money following my signals, but my stats says I'm going to let you make money, but it's completely up to you what you want to do. You can at least join me with the demo account and see how we do. So with that, that is all today. Have an amazing day.